Hi, it's Christina Nichols with NicholsGPS and welcome to this week's What's on the Whiteboard. We're continuing the annual plan conversation. Last week we created this kind of annual layout with different channels and approximate drop dates of when you might want to drop something. And this week we're moving on to analysis and data. So I consider this to be a really great next step in creating your plan because in order to know what you want to do, you kind of need to know what you have done and how it's done, how it has performed. So if we take a peek at data analysis, whatever you want to call it, we don't have to do really in-depth analysis. I mean, you can, and it's fun. Sometimes you can go down the data hole, which is also a lot of fun. But really, all we need are some basic recency, frequency, monetary analysis of the past year's donors, and maybe go back 3 to 5 years. We need to look at ROI. And then also, I mean, although this ties into recency, looking at our new donors and where we're acquiring them and how those tie back to channels. If you look at all of your channels in this RFM and look at your ROI, wow, I'm throwing a lot of acronyms out there, and really pay attention to your new donors and your retained donors. Oh heck, just pay attention to all of your donors, but really. And look at those. Those are going to give you 99% of what you need to know in order to move along in crafting your annual plan. So next week we're going to continue the conversation. I think it's going to be fun. We're going to talk about really who you're targeting and how they want to hear your message. So that is where we're going to go next week. I'm excited to share that with you as well. And thanks so much for watching and listening. It's been fun to see the population grow a little bit for who's watching these. Feel free to leave a message or a comment below and let me know that you're watching. And hey, why don't you share how you go about creating your annual plan? As you know, in fundraising, there's really no right or wrong way to go about doing things as long as we're all above board and staying positive about our missions. So love to hear what you have to say. Thanks so much. Talk to you next week.